All right, so we've got our pan sufficiently heating up with oil in it. So I want to take advantage of that as soon as I can. So Miss Farmer, if you will, you can cut me up the Trinity there and I'll get that sauteing. This is the beginning of a lot of good stuff right here. We don't have our handy dandy cowboy chopper. It's made out of cowboy green plastic.
That's right, we're camping with, we got your good knife.
A little bit of pepper. And that whole onion. That's what's nice about cooking outside is, you know.
Throwing the food on the ground?
Throwing the food on the ground. We do that in the house too.
Oh yeah, right.
We let the chickens clean it up.
Okay. The chickens that run through the house? Okay.
And the ducks. And the goats that live on the roof. Now, sauteing these vegetables is going to soften them up and make the whole process go a little bit quicker. So if you can go ahead and get that done ahead of time, like I said, when you're starving, when you're coming off the lake or whatever you're doing, you want to eat.
Right.
And you don't want to sit around and wait for food. So we have our cheese. What do we got?
I like
we got
cheese.
some mixed cheese. We got some jack cheese, and we have some Colby. We have, I think that's some Kelly salsa.
She makes good salsa.
And then we have beans. Now, I would have preferred to have black beans, but we have what we have. Right. You don't have to put beans in at all. If you like beans, it's fine. But again, this is our full course. This is we got some work to do later this afternoon. I want to fill my belly up and go. So you're probably looking at this thinking, how in the world are you gonna eat this with your hands? We're gonna though, aren't we?
That's
Top
right,
secret.
at the end.
Vegetables are adequately sauteed.
Okay.
I like to put my cream cheese in first and let it kind of get busted up. Then we'll come back with our other cheese. Cup in, cup and a half. Yep, now before that gets to get all sticky on the bottom, let's put some juice in there. Let's put some beans, 14 ounces of beans. There we go. Now let's put some salsa, probably 10 ounces of salsa. That'd be a good dip right there.
That looks yummy. That looks really good.
All right, let's come back with some sour cream. Let's go another dollop. Oh, are you kidding me? All right, bring the chicken. There's probably maybe 3 cups of chicken here. Oh, one more thing. I love these. I love it because they're already prepared. They're mild. They're jalapeno peppers.
They're mild?
They are mild. It says right on there.
Oh, wow, okay.
They're already kind of pickled. They're soft. They give it a nice taste. They don't burn you up, but they're really good. We're gonna add that as well.
All right.
All right. Now again, we're stacked. This is gonna go half hour. The corn on the bottom has got another half hour. In a little while, we'll get the dessert going. See how that stacking works? Our main dish, would you look at that? Is that not beautiful? That I'll take to the table. Spoon time.
That looks good.
It's getting hot. I'm glad we didn't do this in the kitchen.
Yeah, me too.
All right, so the secret is out. We've got taco shell sitting here. So we've got our leftover chicken. Look how that's firmed up, Mrs. Farmer.
That looks good.
With that cheese on there. So we're gonna take just enough to put in this taco shell.
Yum.
Just enough to make you a nice taco, depending on how hungry you are and how much you want to stack in there. Now, come back. I know you like your sour cream, so do I. Put a little dollop of that on there. Take a little bit of lettuce, fresh tomato, a little lime juice on that. Now, you see we got some soft shells over here too.
That'd be good too.
If you wanted some tortilla, you could make you whatever you want. Put a little verde sauce on here. And come back with a little cheese, Mrs. Farmer.
I will. All right.
That weighs about a pound and a half.
Switch that so if I make a mess over here.
Turn the sound down, Kelly. It's going to get noisy.
Yummy.
Now, the bad thing about a cooking show is we have to stop and explain
Yeah.
the things we go through.
I need to eat more.
Those are absolutely delicious. Now, you can spice those up or down as much as you want. You can put more sauces on that. You can put more heat in there if you want to put a little cayenne in there. Whatever you want to do to get the red pepper flakes, whatever.
Dip our chips in there too?
You can dip your chips in there. That is absolutely delicious.